Why we are launching the campaign We Press Forward? Because we want to share the results of Switzerland's long-term engagement with the people of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Our message is clear. If people get engaged, change is possible and progress can be reached. We also want to share our results with the Swiss people so that they can be proud of the Swiss engagement in Bosnia and Herzegovina too. We often use Swiss know-how and Swiss experience in our development projects, in the health sector for example, or in vocational education. The results of our long-term commitment are indeed impressive. Over the past 3 years only, our projects have reached 1 million citizens in Bosnia and Herzegovina. They enjoy today improved infrastructure and public services. Many of them have better jobs. This couldn't have been possible without our dedicated partners all over the country. Be assured, Switzerland will remain committed to Bosnia and Herzegovina, also in the years to come. Only together we can press forward.